the handle of this tap is loose and we're not getting hot or cold water. We're just getting either hot or sometimes only cold. So we need to check what's the problem. These are the tools you'll need today. To take out the handle, first take out this plastic thing. We'll try to wedge it out. Okay, make sure you close the drain before you work on this so nothing will fall through the drain. So with this being out, I just need Allen wrench to take out the screw here, and then the handle will come out. So you can see it's already coming out, and I'll just take it out fully. The handle should come out now. Okay, so you see that plastic part is broken. We'll try to replace that. It comes with this piece, so I need to replace this whole piece. To take this out, you need to remove this. You can take this broken piece out. So this broken piece, you need to replace that with a new one. So I searched this part number online but could not find anything. So I contacted Moen and they sent me a whole packet with a lot of other things and the part that I need. So that's what I need for this piece. This flat part, the top and the bottom, is the direction you need to keep it when you're installing the handle back. But in case once you install the handle and the hot and cold water are reversed, you need to turn it the opposite way. So you'll have to just hold it here with this kind of a device and then turn it like this. So for me it's fine, so I don't need to change the direction, and we'll just install the missing piece. This part here, which has the top flat and bottom flat, put it on the thing there. If you can see, it goes inside. I don't need to push really hard, I just need to wedge the top part first at the back before I do this. So it'll, if you're not very used to it, it may take a few attempts. And I think I got it. Yeah. Okay, so this is put back in place. All I need to do is bolt it back. With this securely bolted, I need to put this handle back and use this bolt to secure this with the Allen key, and then attach this piece back in the right direction. And then with the Allen key. I'll need two hands, so I'll just do it off the video and come back. With the bolt installed, check for the water direction if it is correct, and then install this plastic temperature indicator. So let's check the water. Looks good. So I can just install this back, and so the part is replaced. Now it's ready to use. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Thank you.